My old fruit picker, made from 1-inch plastic pipe, has seen better days, so I thought it's about time I made a new one. The receptacle at the top was a fizzy drinks plastic bottle which was cut and was a perfect friction fit to the pipe. All that was left to add was a little screw to stop it from slipping down when in use. However, the plastic bottle was flimsy and has worn and distorted over the years, but the principle was sound. In this video, I'll be making a replacement based on the same principles with minimal cost and effort. Build time is 5 minutes. Then I'll be putting it straight to the test as I have figs ripening like crazy outside. Now the pole I'll be using is a painters and decorators telescopic extension pole. A few years ago I bought one of these, and then a few years later I bought another one because I had forgotten that I already had one, and so now I have two. These are readily available from DIY places like Homebase, B&Q, Amazon and eBay, and cost only a tenner. Collapsed, it is just over 1 metre in length, but when you unscrew the inner aluminium tube from the outer aluminium tube, it can be extended to over 2 metres, a pretty good reach. At the top of the pole, it has got this plastic head here. This fitting usually fits into the handle of a paint roller, but in this application it just so happens to be a perfect friction fit for one of these, a plastic Ribena bottle. So that head there will fit onto that head there. So let's just prove it. There you go. And that is a perfect friction fit. No tape needed, nothing else needed. So now all we need to do to make our fruit picker is to cut the bottle around there, so that is the next thing that we're going to do. So let's switch to live ASMR as I tackle cutting this bottle.
Okay, this is not easy. That's the rough bit done. Okay, now I'm going to trim it.
The good thing about Ribena bottles is that the plastic is relatively thick and very durable compared to other plastic drinks bottles. But do be prepared to experiment with other bottles as well. All that's left to do now is to fit the bottle to the pole. And now I have one new fig fruit picker. Comparing the old and the new one is a little bit taller, which will give me another 20 centimetres of reach, which is just as well because my fig tree is massive this year. So time to put it to the test, and here I am outside and I've spotted a couple of huge ripe figs, and they are over 3 metres up, and I can just about reach them.
Wow, reached it. Okay. I've got it, got it. Come on, come on. Down we go. There you go, got it. Got it. man. Oh yeah. Holy moly, that's massive. Whoa. That's got to be the biggest one yet.
I spotted another couple of figs, so I'm going in again with the picker.
That's it. Twist and got it. Bring it back down. Where is it? There we are.
Now for the final weigh-in. These figs are massive, and this picker has worked flawlessly first time and gives me great reach for picking the figs high up in the tree. This has been a scorching hot summer so far, and the figs are ripening at an incredible rate. I look forward to a long bumper crop from my fig trees this year. Check out my other fig videos for more tricks and tips to a successful crop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.